pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Shortcrust Pastry. So the Bureau Home Recipes book, 41st edition. To make shortcrust pastry you will need 200 grams of plain all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, 50 grams of vegetable shortening, Trex, 50 grams of butter or hard margarine, and up to 5 tablespoons of water, a knife and some cling film. In a bowl, mix the salt in with the flour. Then rub in the vegetable shortening in little pieces. And the butter or hard margarine. You know the drill by now, rub it in till it resembles breadcrumbs. Add a little water and cut and stir until you get a stiff dough. Now your work surface. Turn out your dough. Knead lightly. Now you need to wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge for half an hour, otherwise it cracks.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting